Now in this video, what I want to do is I want to talk to you about how to get all the traffic you'll ever need. And this traffic, it's not going to be free, but it's going to be very low cost. Some of it will be free. Most of it is going to be very low cost. And it's going to be so low cost that if you set up your sales funnel the way that I'm showing you, you should have no problem coming close to breaking even right away. And then by building your list, hopefully making a profit very easily. So how you get all the traffic you could ever use is solo ads. Okay, solo ads are where another marketer mails to your squeeze page for you. So you can buy a solo ad from a marketer, say who has a couple thousand person list. You could buy a 100-click or a 50-click solo ad, meaning he's going to send you 50 or 100 or even 1,000 or 2,000 visitors to your squeeze page. You're going to get them in your funnel, and then by working them through your funnel, you're going to earn some money. And solo ads are the quickest way to get traffic. They're the absolute quickest way to get traffic. And I'll show you in just a minute where you can get some solo ads. But another way is once you have a list of your own, you can start doing ad swaps, and that's where you mail for someone to their squeeze page and they mail to your squeeze page. It's very simple. I'm not really going to go into it because I'd like to concentrate more on solo ads and JV partnerships. JV partnerships are very good. That's where you form a relationship with other marketers and you agree to either mail for them or they'll mail for you, or maybe you'll do something for them and they'll mail for you. They'll add your link to your squeeze page, on their download page, but it's just relationships. Now, another thing you can do is you can start your own affiliate program where you'll actually pay people when they make sales for you. Now, the drawback to that is you're not going to make 100% of the profits, but the benefit is that you're going to get new buyers onto your list who are very likely to buy other products from you. And you can set up your affiliate program through either JVZO or Warrior Plus, where you're going to get the buyer lead. You can set it up from a low commission like 50% all the way up to 100%. And you can also, a good place to get these solo ads and JV partnerships is through the classified and the JV section of warriorforum.com and through a website called safeswaps.com, which is a good place to go buy solo ads and also arrange ad swaps with people. But for now, let's go right now and let's take a look at the Warrior Forum. I just want to show you. So what we've done is we've gone to the Warrior Forum here, okay? And from here, we click on this section that says Warrior Forum Classified Ads. And right off the bat, if we look in this section, you can see people are selling solo ads. So you can see this person right here is offering solo ads to proven buyers. Okay, we can scroll down a little bit more. This person right here is offering 500 clicks and 50 opt-ins guaranteed. All right, this person, solo ads, 333 clicks for only $99. You can see there's 126 responses and like 4,800 people almost have viewed this, but we can click on it. We can get some information. We can find out if this guy is for real, what kind of reputation he has, read reviews from people. Okay, so this section is a great place to find some solo ads. It's also a great place to go hook up some JV deals with people. Okay, you can see there's lots of solo ad sellers. Lots of solo ad sellers, so you can get lots of traffic. And all we're doing is we're buying a solo ad, we're bringing them into our front end, our free offer, we send them off to our upsell, and then we hit them with an upsell. I'm sorry, we send them off to our OTO, then we hit them with an upsell of some sort. Okay? And with the JV partnerships, a place that you can go ahead and set up an affiliate program would be over at a place like jvzoo.com. They allow you to set up your own product sales, okay, and recruit affiliates. Same with Warrior Plus. You can go ahead and create a new listing with this place. They allow you to set up You can see what they allow you to do. You can sell your product. Warrior Plus is only good for the Warrior Forum. But JVs you can sell anywhere. With Warrior Plus, you have to be selling it on the Warrior Forum. But there are two places that you can go hook up, set up an affiliate program, and immediately start getting traffic from your affiliates.